Now then, close, right. Hard work. Let's fill the bottle up. See how much it costs. £4. £5. Stops on its own as well. Well, I'll have to get that on. So we've got a leak, so we're going to try and fix the leak. Simplest way I know how, if I can. £8. It's a safe fill gas bottle, by the way. £9. £9.97. There you go. You always get a bit of gas come out. Oh. Right, that was a faff filling it up. Anyway, I've filled it up. I've put my glasses on so I can see. We've got some bubbles. So I'm hoping if I can see the leak here or on the bottle itself, with the bubbles I can fix it. If not, then I'm going to get a professional to sort it out. But I haven't tightened anything up. I've left it exactly as it is so that I can find out what it is that's leaking. So let's connect the gas bottle. Right. We've just filled it up, £9.90 odd. It's anti-thread, isn't it? So you actually thread it the other way around. See if I can tighten it up. What a rotten morning. Right, I'll have to put you down a second while I just tighten it up. These thread the opposite way to what you think. Don't know why. But what's happened is I've got a gas leak, so I'm going to try and find where it's leaking from. Good thing with editing, I can cut to the chase where I've already tightened it up. Or is it tight? Oh, tight there. Right. So, let's open the gas. Oh. So we're full on. So let's make sure we've got some bubbles. So let's check the obvious. Any bubbles? I can't see any. Right, so there's no bubbles there. Is there? No. So the gas is fully on, no bubbles. So let's try in here. Do you see any bubbles? No. It's only soapy water this, so it's not going to do any damage in here. Any bubbles? No. So if I can't find out from here, I can't smell gas either. Let's have a look. Make sure everything's tight. Oh, there. Was it? That was bubbles then. There's none now. Just check this one as well. I think we've sorted it. No smell whatsoever. Before I could smell gas. Check all the... I think it's been this. That's somehow worked its way loose. Let's just... There you are. How's that? So that has worked itself loose somehow. No gas whatsoever. I had to have my glasses on so I could see what I was doing. So let's close the bottle. I could fit it back in. That will be a second. Car park at shopping place. It's only early, there's nobody here. Take our mess away. I won't put that in there because it'll leak, won't it? Oh. There you go. Smithy's now a gas engineer, we've sorted it. So, get my glasses away. There was gas coming out of that, the spare one. And I don't know if they've had 2 gas bottles in this, you know, before I got the van and not tightened it up. So I wonder how long that's been leaking. Anyway, I think it could have just worked itself loose, you never know. But anyway, we've sorted it. We filled up £9.90 because there was no gas in that bottle whatsoever. And job done, there you are. Safe fill gas bottle filled, tenner, and fix the gas leak. So we're raring to go. So I'm at the site Saturday. So I might do some cooking on Saturday. Anyway, he's looking at me thinking, who's he talking to? Anyway, see you soon. I'm Smithy. This is a Contiki with a fixed gas leak. And stay safe, be lucky, and I'll see you soon.